Okay, let's get started. I deep conditioned it for a while and that's really it. That's all that's in my hair. And then I just put it up. Okay, so as usual, this has been my favorite deep conditioner for a while and I have been using this all summer long because I bought 2 of them and they've just lasted me forever. But yes, this is all that's in my hair. I'm going to take a little bit of it. And I really mean a little bit this time because this is really a thick conditioner. Like a little goes a really long way. And I'm just putting this in my ends just because the rest of my hair feels really moisturized actually. So no need for any more than just this, I think. You can use any gel that you like. Right now I'm using the Cantu texture gel. I've just been using this for finger coils. I've really been liking it. I've really kind of like relaxed my finger coil routine when I do this, when I just want it to be like quick. I need a style like today within 2 hours. So I haven't been as detailed with it, but I've been really liking the results. All right, I just put that throughout my hair. As far as the dampness, I just want y'all to know it's not dripping wet at all. Like it's, you know, decently dry, but it hasn't been in that towel for long, like if that makes sense. So definitely damp, but not wet. And then I just take the top layer of my hair and I kind of just go down. And I kind of just finger coil it really roughly, really quickly. And then I'll add more gel if I feel like I need to. But it's really just to get like an initial like shape. That is it. Nothing crazy. Right, so you can kind of just see a little bit of the difference between this hair and this. So I'm gonna do the same to this side. It's not a huge difference, but it makes a nice difference when you diffuse it. So I recommend it if your hair is already really, really defined, then you probably don't have to do this, but I don't really have like curl definition. It's not really my thing. Don't have a lot of it, so I kind of gotta create it. Okay, so both sides of my hair are now finger coiled, and now I've plugged in my dryer. I'm using the same dryer, my good old Revlon with its diffuser attachment. Hasn't done me wrong yet. And then I am also going to add a little bit of a heat protectant. This is the Phyto specific Thermoperfect. It's a smoothing heat protecting serum. And it is for coily, coiled, and relaxed hair, but I've only used this for straightening. I never thought to really use it for this, but then I realized like I probably should be using heat protectant. If I'm gonna do this, I'm going straight over my finger coils with it. And hopefully this will also make it nice and shiny. This looks good. Okay, wonderful. So really the whole thing of this, it doesn't matter what products you use, it doesn't matter your routine. What really matters is the method. And ever since I've changed up my method, oh my God, my hair looks so much better. And I've actually like, I understand the diffuser now. Like I get it. Like I got the attachment a while ago and like I kind of got it. I was like, okay, like my hair is like not looser, but it moved more. It was just bouncier. It had volume. Like it just dried cute. But it never did anything. It never really styled my hair. But so what I've learned is if you actually don't move around your head, what you want to do is honestly hold it on your hair pretty much until it's dry. Each section. So you literally want to go section by section. Luckily, don't get that little Diva Curl fucking written diffuser. I mean, I guess if you want to, do you. But like, get one that is like as big as an actual hand. Like, this is pretty big. Like, my hand looks huge because I have nails on, but like, it's like as big as my head. So, you know, if you got a lot of area to cover, get something that can cover a lot of area and really just hold it. Like, I honestly recommend like getting your show or whatever and your little AirPods and just like zoning the fuck out while you do it. Also, put it on the absolute lowest that you can. Ooh, sorry. And then when testing it, I would definitely just test, like if this is how you usually do your hair, is diffusing it, make sure the blow dryer gets low enough for you to do this method. You know, don't burn yourself. So definitely use that heat protectant. But all right, that's what I'm going to do, and we can see the results, and hopefully I'll look so fucking cute, and my hair will be done, and this wasn't like, you know, a mess. Let's see. Well, ignore it. I'm trying not to separate anything. But I'm gonna put a little bit of the castor oil, just a little bit all over, just so we can like lock in some moisture and some shine. And I just really like adding oil before my cool shot. I don't know, I just feel like it does something. And then I'm also feeling the parts of my hair that might need a little more extra attention. All right, I'm gonna put on cool and then finish it up. Okay, perfect. So my hair is now 100% dry, and I'm just, is it? Okay, cool. So now my hair is definitely dry. It's actually looking really, really shiny. Looking really good. So I'm going to start separating curls and just shaping it. If you have like a pick or whatever you use, this would be the time. Way more defined. And I feel like I didn't have to do as much work, like work. I kind of just had to like hold the dryer up, which is way less work than like sitting here and finger coiling or like finger twisting and then it not coming out good the next day. It's like I know my hair is gonna look good and I don't have to do a lot of work, and it's just nice. Like it's just nice. So ever since I've learned this method, I will do it when I have the time to do it. It takes me probably I would say from completely wet to dry, an hour and a half ish. I probably could have stopped 10 minutes ago and gotten the same result. And sometimes I do like my hair to like still have that wetness, and so it kind of like air dries some of it, and then it kind of just has like more volume. But you can kind of do a combination of things. You can pre-stretch your hair before doing this. There's a lot you can do, and then just diffuse it, you know what I mean? But holding that diffuser on there is the key to getting the definition that you want and to actually get results with your diffuser, not just a faster wash and go, but an actual different style of curl, because my curls don't look like this if I don't use my diffuser. But I'm definitely like overdue for some new products. So if you guys have been trying anything or suggest anything that I should try, let me know, because I feel like I'm getting so bored with all the stuff that I've like had, and like, you know, it's just nothing new has happened, I feel like, when it comes to like my hair products. So I feel like I'm ready for something new. So if you have suggestions, please leave them below. And I think this is kind of it. I mean, I don't really style my hair to like I wish I could be the kind of bitch where my hair just look, you know, like this and it's middle parted and this is just where it is, but that's not who I am. I move my hair a lot throughout the day. It's in my way a lot. I can't pretend like I can always see, like, oh my god, I can see so much better when my hair is like this, but that looks stupid. I look like DW from fucking Arthur. So I don't really spend a lot of time on that part of it. As long as the curls are looking fresh, I'm kind of cool with it. But I hope this was super duper helpful for you. Helpful for you guys. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them down below and I can help you out, and we can make sure that you can achieve a nice, defined, loose, beautiful, bouncy curl that you desire. And don't forget to leave this video a like if you haven't subscribed, and I know you aren't. Subscribe, it's free. Why wouldn't you want to like be cool? Anyways, if you like me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Ivana Brooke, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.